Today we are grilling Thailand Pangasius fish. This fish can be used in place of catfish. Whenever I want to cook catfish pepper soup and I don't have catfish, I use this fish. So I'll be grilling it with this garlic powder, ginger powder, some chili pepper, curry powder, thyme, some onion powder, and some salt. So I will add everything inside the fish, and I also be adding some vegetable oil to this. This is just the best way to grill this fish. Though I've noticed that this fish is a very tasty fish, so you don't even need to add much thing and it will still be tasty. So after adding everything, I will add some vegetable oil as well. Then I will mix everything thoroughly. I will use nylon and cover this, and I will allow it to sit for at least 30 minutes so that it will marinate. After 30 minutes, I will allow it on my baking tray or baking pan. Then I will pop it inside my preheated oven and I will bake this for 30 minutes on 200 degrees C. Then after that, it is looking like this. It also has a lot of oil in it, so it will bring out the oil. So it's rich in omega-3 and omega-6. I've also read about the nutrients, so it is a very rich fish. I love snacking on it because of the texture. It tastes like meat. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Please like, share and follow.